a fun experiment. Let me show you. It's too heavy. Here it is. This says Discovery Mind Zone. Let's start the discovery. Do you want to see what it is? Da-da-da! These are all the things that you can find. Let's open it. First one open. Here's another one. Here. Now, ready? Here are the instructions. Only one page in the instructions. Here is chalk work that we can break this and then we find marbles. And here's Discovery mind-blowing baking soda and a paintbrush and a popsicle stick and some colors and funnels and a volcano. And some cups, a magnifying glass, and some flour here that I don't know what shall we use with. And here's the plate. I dropped something. Here is something that we don't know. So the first experiment is volcano explosion. That was a long time ago when dinosaurs were here. Let's do this. Here is the volcano. And we also need here something here. We do it. We need funnel, craft iron, vinegar that we have used. We need a volcano, of course, and baking soda, and a cup that we can measure with. Guys, we want a container here, so we don't get a big mess. We don't want that. So here's the container. First, to unscrew the volcano from the top, like this. And then we have some vinegar. We unscrewed it and we put it in this container. Now we need to put this funnel in right like this. And then we're going to pour this in here. Take off this funnel. Now we add a little bit of craft iron. Now add a little bit of first funnel, a little bit of baking soda, and then quickly remove it because it's going to fall down. Yahoo! Whoa, cool, huh? Cool. This is a red volcano. friends,